for listening to this tutorial video on how to run independent sample student tests in SPSS. So independent sample student test is conceived in order to evaluate the difference in mean between the two independent groups. So we have a variable in which, for example, we are going to see whether or not there are two groups have different mean in age. For this tutorial, we'll just take an example of body mass index. So we have a database on body mass index recorded on student in secondary educations, both male and female. So we're going to see this tutorial whether or not the body mass index differ from girl to boy. So we have our variable body mass index. So to run independent student test, we just need to go on analyze and compare mean. So you go on independent student test, you click on independent student test, select the variable test. So our variable that we are going to test here is BMI. BMI is body mass index. So we use the arrow to put it in the test variable section. So the second step is to select the grouping variable. So here our grouping variable is student gender. We are going to see whether or not there is a significant difference between body mass index among males and females in our sample. So we select the student gender variable and put it in grouping variable. So the third step is to define group. So we have seen in our group that we have two modalities for student variable. For student gender variable, which is 1 for female and 2 for male. So we will click on the define group button here. So enter 1 for group 1 and 2 for group 2. Then we click on continue, and after that we click on OK, and the output will be painted here on our screen. So we have in the first table the group statistics. So we have numbers of observation: 1,425 female students and 867 male students. So the mean among the group in the group of male student is 21.34, and in the male population we have 19.74. So we have standard deviation of in each group as well as standard error mean. The second table here give information in independent sample test. What is really interesting here is the value of the student test, which is here, and the degree of freedoms. We have also a significance of test. The very important value here is a significance of tail, of the two-tail test. So we have a p-value, the significance, which is the p-value here is equal to 0.000, which means that we can just reject the null hypothesis, which is the equality of mean between women and female. So we can not accept the null hypothesis, meaning that mean body mass index is difference between female and male population. And if we come back in our group statistic table, you can see that body mass index is more than the one among male students. So we can just think that female students have much higher body mass index than male students. So that's it for this tutorial, and I hope it help you very well understand the independent sample student test using SPSS.